The short answer is yes. Your dentist can tell if you've given oral. Before we begin, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Let's get started. Today, I'm gonna share a little secret with you guys. Here are 3 things your dentist knows about you just by looking at your mouth. The first is if you smoke. When a patient comes in that smokes, we see things like staining on the back of the teeth, nicotine stomatitis, which is caused by the heat from the smoke. This one's kind of nasty, black hairy tongue. And we see lots of plaque because smoking lowers your saliva flow and makes it easier for the bacteria to stick onto your teeth. Now the next thing is something we've all done. How many times before a dentist appointment have you sat there and scrubbed your teeth like crazy?
Come on!
So your dentist doesn't know that you haven't been brushing your teeth. Well, we can tell. We know that you haven't been brushing regularly and you just brushed really hard right before your appointment. When you don't brush your teeth regularly 2 times a day like you're supposed to, we see things like lots of plaque, staining, inflammation or puffiness, redness, and when we clean your teeth or floss them, we actually see your gums bleeding. All of these are signs that you haven't been brushing your teeth regularly, even though you walked into our office feeling super minty fresh. You aren't fooling us. And the last one is slightly controversial and for mature audiences only. I'm sure you've seen this video on TikTok. People really want to know if your dentist can tell if you've given oral sex. Many TikTok dentists responded to this question and said yes.
True, we can tell.
Yeah, we know.
We can tell.
But I'm here to tell you that the answer is also yes, but also no. So giving oral sex can cause these small dots on the roof of your mouth called petechia. But one of the things that a lot of the dentists on TikTok fail to mention is that you're only gonna see this in situations where someone was either being very, very aggressive or in situations of abuse. So you don't have to worry too much about your dentist knowing exactly what you were doing the night before your appointment. With all the things your dentist knows about you, you should still trust them. 1, because they legally can't say anything, and 2, because they want to give you the best possible care, and they can't do that unless you're completely honest. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to smile.